Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Hollywood is without an atom of doubt the world's entertainment business capital, and it has been the way for a very long time. It also doubles as the biggest movie industry in the world, and stars in this industry are mostly rewarded with several millions of dollars in compensation. We present to you some Hollywood actors who are from Nigeria and of Igbo origin. Without wasting time, let's get down to it. Chinwetaile Ejiofor. Chinwetaile Umade Ejiofor, CBE, is a British-Nigerian actor. Ejiofor was cast by Steven Spielberg to play a supporting role in the film Amistad as James Covey. He has featured in movies including 12 Years a Slave and Half of a Yellow Sun. The 42-year-old actor is partly Igbo and had featured in several movies and acted in native roles as well. Nnamdi Asomugha. Nnamdi Asomugha is a Nigerian-American actor, producer, and former American football cornerback. He played college football for the University of California, Berkeley, and was drafted in the first round of the 2023 NFL Draft by the Oakland Raiders. He also played for the Philadelphia Eagles and San Francisco 49ers. He is married to Hollywood top actress Kerry Washington. Tiny Temper. Patrick Chukwuemeka Okogu, better known by his stage name Tiny Temper, is a British rapper, singer, songwriter, and entrepreneur. He has been signed to Parlophone Records since 2009, a subsidiary of Warner Music Group. He was recently in Nigeria a couple of years ago and worked with a number of Nigerian artists. Caroline Chikezie. Caroline Chikezie is a British actress, best known for playing Shasha Williams in Asif, Ellen Hardy in Footballers' Wives, and the Cyberwoman in Touchwood. She is an Igbo woman who was nominated for Nigerian Entertainment Award for Best Actress. Ashley Mmadekwe. Ashley Mmadekwe is an English actress. She is known for her roles as call girl Bambi in the ITV2 series Secret Diary of a Call Girl, Social Climber, Ashley Davenport on the ABC drama series Revenge and the Witch Tituba in the WGN American series Salem. The beautiful actress is of Igbo origin. Sonny Chidebere. Sonny Chidebere is an actor known for District 9 2009, Lord of War 2005, and Blood Diamond 2006. He is of Igbo origin. Chinonso Anozie. Chinonso Anozie is a British actor who has worked on stage, film, and television. He is best known for his role as Tank in Rock and Roller, Sergeant Dapp in Ender's Game, Abraham Kenyatta in Zoo, Captain of the Guards in Cinderella, and Zazu Zoan Dazos in the HBO television series Game of Thrones. He is of Igbo origin. Lema Obika. Lema Obika, professionally known simply as Lema, is an English singer, songwriter, and record producer. Lema has had a run of chart success in the United Kingdom, Europe, and Australia. He is of Igbo origin. Osita Ademma Osi Umenyiora. Osita Ademma Osi Umenyiora is an English sports pundit and former American football defensive end who played in the National Football League. He played college football for Troy University and was drafted by the New York Giants in the second round of the 2003 NFL Draft. Uzo Adoba. Uzamaka Nwaneka Uzo Adoba is an American actress. She is known for her role as Suzanne Crazy Eyes Warren on the Netflix original series Orange is the new black, for which she won an Emmy Award. She is proudly Igbo. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification icon. Drop your comment on the comment section and share our posts accordingly. Thank you.